Checking, topping up levels in the front. To check the screen watch and brake fluid levels on the Alpine A110, you need to open the front compartment. These checks are made with the engine switched off on a level surface. To unlock the bonnet, pull the lever located on the lower section of the dashboard on the passenger side. Release the safety catch on the bonnet by moving it to the left and raise the bonnet until the stays are fully extended. To top up the screen wash liquid, open the flap on the left in the front luggage compartment. Remove the cap on the reservoir. Top up with an appropriate product until the liquid is visible. Then refit the cap. The wiper blades feature several nozzles that spray the screen wash liquid to maintain optimum visibility. To replace the windscreen wiper blades, with the ignition on and the engine off, pull the wiper stalk down fully to clear the blade from the bonnet. Lift the windscreen wiper arm and disconnect the screen wash liquid pipe before replacing the blade. Then reconnect the screen wash liquid pipe, put the arm back down and return the control to the off position. To access the brake fluid reservoir, first unclip the scuttle panel grille drape rail. Check the brake fluid level. Never allow the fluid to drop to the minimum indicator.